Tired of your Bluetooth headphones or mouse cutting out at the worst possible moment? This video shows you exactly how to stop Bluetooth disconnecting on Windows, and it's a permanent fix that takes just a few minutes. Hey everyone, Anna here from For Real. If you've ever been deep in focus, jamming to your favorite playlist, or in the middle of an important work call, and suddenly, silence. Your headphones disconnect. Or maybe your mouse starts lagging and then just gives up. It's incredibly frustrating, and it completely breaks your flow. You're left wondering if your device is broken or if your computer just hates you. Trust me, you're not alone, and it's usually not your device's fault. It's a hidden, aggressive setting inside Windows. But the good news is, there's a very simple reason this happens, and an even simpler fix. By default, to save a tiny bit of battery, Windows has permission to turn off your computer's hardware, including your Bluetooth adapter whenever it thinks it's not in use. The problem is, it's often wrong, and that's what causes the random disconnects. So today, we're going to dive into a part of Windows called the Device Manager and simply tell it to leave our Bluetooth alone. I'm going to guide you through every single click. Let's get this fixed for good. Step 1. All right, first things first, we need to open the Device Manager. The easiest way to do this is to go down to your search bar on the taskbar. If you don't see it, just click the Start menu button and it will appear. Now just start typing Device Manager. You'll see it pop up in the results under Best Match. Go ahead and click on that to open it up. Step 2. Okay, you should now see a window with a long list of all the hardware components in your computer. It might look a little intimidating, but don't worry, we only care about one thing here. Look for Bluetooth in the list. It's usually near the top and has the classic Bluetooth symbol next to it. Once you find it, click the little arrow or chevron to its left to expand the section and see all the Bluetooth-related devices. Quick pause. If this is already making sense and you think this might be the fix you've been looking for, do me a huge favor and hit that like button below. It really helps the channel and lets me know I'm making helpful content. Thank you. All right, back to it. Step 3. Now that the list is expanded, you'll see a few items. Some might be your connected devices, but you're looking for your computer's main Bluetooth hardware. It will often have words like adapter, wireless, or a brand name like Intel, Realtek, or Qualcomm. For me, it's Intel or Wireless Bluetooth R. Once you've identified the right one, right-click on it. This will open a small context menu. From that menu, select Properties at the bottom. Step 4. This is it, the final and most important step. In this new Properties window, you'll see several tabs at the top like General, Driver, and Details. We need to click on the one that says Power Management. Here you'll see the culprit, a checked box that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This is what's causing our Bluetooth keeps disconnecting issue. Simply click on that box to uncheck it. Then, click OK at the bottom to save your change. And there you have it. You've now told Windows to keep its hands off your Bluetooth connection. No more frustrating random disconnects interrupting your day. You should now have a much more stable and reliable connection for all your wireless devices. Pro tip. Now to make sure this change fully takes effect, it's a very good idea to restart your computer. While you're here, a quick pro tip. If you ever have other issues, the Driver tab next to Power Management is where you can try updating your Bluetooth driver, which can also solve some problems. Also, if you don't see the Power Management tab, it sometimes means your system's drivers handle this differently. In that case, checking for a driver update is your best next step. If this tutorial fixed your issue, please subscribe to For Real and hit the notification bell for more simple tech fixes that just work. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if this solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.